Hi beauties, welcome back for another video. So this is my second video today. So if you did watch the intro of how I installed this hair, it was actually 5 days after my initial install. So I wanted to come back with the update video, just how the hair is holding up in regards to shedding. I go to the gym, but we'll get into that momentarily. Tangles, what I use to refresh my curls, everything. I'm going to be telling you guys everything in this video, okay? So let's get into it. So this is the Beauty Forever Malaysian curly hair. This is 150 density and 14 inches. So this is around the length that 14 inches Malaysian curly Beauty Forever hair will get you. This hair is so soft, and I am being completely honest with you guys. I seriously don't remember experiencing any type of shedding other than when I plucked like the lace, the perimeter of the hair, like when I pluck my edges. So when I pluck my edges, of course that hair is going to come out because I'm plucking the edges. But other than that, I seriously do not remember any tangles. This hair has held up awesomely. Is that a word? Awesomely? Yes. But this hair has held up beautifully, and I just do want to add that I do go to the gym regularly. I go about 3 to 4 times a week in the morning. And what I do is I put a satin scarf around right here, and then I have on a beanie for the rest, kind of just like pin this up. So in regards to tangles, I have not even experienced tangles. This hair has been amazing, and it is very affordable. So I haven't experienced any type of tangles. Like when I go in to pull the curls apart, I'm trying to do it with my nails. The curls come straight apart, right apart for me. It doesn't give me any problems whatsoever. Like, these curls are so beautiful and so soft. Like, I'm really loving this Beauty Forever hair. Let me show you. I have not reapplied any glue whatsoever, and I'm tugging and yanking, and it is not coming up, and it is the 5th day. So I did bleach the knots, and I did some plucking, and the hair held up nicely. However, it wasn't in its original state as far as the curls, so I did have to wash the hair, condition the hair, and once I did that, the curls were back to its original state, but I wanted to add it like an extra oomph. So this is what I use to revamp the curls. This is a Kendra's Daughter Hair Milk Nourishing and Conditioning Styling Foam. And what I would do is spritz it with a little bit of water, take my styling foam like so, and just put it throughout the hair. And this hair curls back instantaneously. Just a little bit of foam, a little bit of water. These curls are not crunchy. They are not hard. They are still bouncy and flowy, which is great. So yeah, I think that's it. I just wanted to come back after a few days of wearing this hair and going to the gym in this hair. So that's like a double dose, because I go to the gym for an hour every time I go, and I've been three times with this hair, okay, because I go 3 to 4 times a week. So I've been 3 times with this hair, and like I said, it's holding up amazingly. So I just wanted to come and give you guys a quick update. I'm actually going to wear this hair a few more days, honestly, until it starts to lift. I mean, but if it holds on too much longer, I'm going to have to wet it and take it out. But I definitely would recommend this hair. I think it is beautiful. I think it's very affordable. I love this length. I don't think it's too long or too short. Like I said, the density is really good, especially considering that it is curly hair. I didn't get any shedding or tangles. This hair gets a 10 for me. 10s all the way around. Even when it came to bleaching the knots, I think I took my bleach off too soon, but it still did great. I did add a little bit of concealer to my parting space, but other than that, like, this hair definitely gets a 10 for me. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. I will leave the link to this hair down below as well. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.